In the electrifying world of Gunz the Duel, one player rose above the rest, mastering the art of the shotgun. Enter the battlegrounds with relentless ambition. He started as just another novice. Hours turned into days, and with each passing moment, his dedication to mastering movements like butterfly, wall running, and slash shots became evident. His prowess with the shotgun was unmatched. Enemies fell before his precise shots and agile maneuvers. He understood that true dominance required not just skill, but strategy. Through relentless practice and countless battles, he evolved into a legend, a testament to what perseverance in Gunz the Duel can achieve.